How to do a barbell forward raise. Begin by placing feet shoulder width apart, slight bend in the knees and back straight with the eyes looking straight ahead. Hand placement, aim for shoulder width and your knuckles should be facing away from your thighs and palms facing towards your thighs using a pronated grip. Barbell starting from the mid-thigh and raising the barbell to your shoulders and arms horizontal to the floor, keeping a slight bend in the knees and elbows in order to place less strain on the joints. Before you begin the raise of the barbell, brace your core, breathe in through the nose as you raise the barbell, and as you lower the weight, exhale out of the mouth. Focus on performing this movement slowly and in a controlled motion. For the tempo of the exercise, remember to raise the barbell lasting between 1 to 2 seconds, and during the negative phase, lowering the barbell back down to the starting point. Common mistakes. Don't hyperextend the pelvis, nor swing the barbell up and down to overcompensate and use other muscles to raise the barbell, as this will lead to injury. Keep the rest of the body static, the arms and shoulders should be doing all the work. For this exercise you won't need much weight. Remember to get the technique perfect, and for progressive overload to do this over time, either add more weight or for the negative phase of lowering the barbell, go down even at a slower pace than 1 to 2 seconds. Never perform this exercise with a rounded back. Keep it straight, as well as eyes ahead and keeping the head in a neutral position with the spine. The wrist should be in a neutral position and should not be awkwardly bent up or down, as this is a sign the weight is too heavy to raise. Do not place the hands too wide or too narrow, as this could cause injury. Remember to use a firm grip. If your grip is not strong enough, you could place yourself at risk in dropping the barbell. Do not lift the barbell any higher than your shoulders, as this will cause injury to the shoulder joint, nor will you gain any extra benefits from going higher.